In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Godaddy promo codes. The first thing you should do is visit the official Godaddy promos page. This is one of the best places to start because it shows active offers directly from Godaddy. These deals can include site-wide promotions, renewal offers, or discounts on specific products and services. When you are on the page, take a moment to review the available offers carefully. Promo codes and discounts can change over time, so it is a good idea to check this page regularly, especially before making a purchase or renewing a service. Starting here helps you avoid wasting time on expired or unreliable third-party coupon sites. If you do not find the discount you want on the promos page, the next step is to contact Godaddy support directly. You can open a live chat or call their support team and ask whether there are any account-specific renewal discounts available. This is helpful because sometimes support agents can offer promotions that are not clearly advertised on the website. When you reach out, be polite and direct about what you need. If you are planning to renew a domain, hosting plan, or another service, mention that clearly so the agent can check for any available offers tied to your account. This step can be especially useful for renewals where standard public discounts may be more limited. Another option is to join one of Godaddy's discount programs. You can sign up for the free Godaddy Pro program, which may give you access to member pricing and other benefits. If you want even more automatic discounts, you can also look into the Paid Discount Domain Club. These programs are designed for users who manage domains or web services more regularly, so they can be a smart choice if you expect to make ongoing purchases. During sign-up, choose the account registration method that works best for you and complete the setup process so your member discounts can apply automatically where eligible. The key idea is to use all three methods together. Check the official promos page first, contact support for any account-based savings, and consider joining a discount program if you want ongoing benefits. This gives you a much better chance of finding the best available Godaddy deal without relying on random coupon sources. That covers everything you need to know.